Sarah, if we wanted to talk a little bit about the history of BTS through the eyes of the investors, what would that look like?
Well, that's a really good question. BTS was founded in, our very first event took place in 2009, which is right after everything went to hell in a handbasket in the stock market in 2008. I got space, so that what was it, Black Friday, Black Monday, whatever, happened, in October, and I found space, which you don't say no to at during that time, and convinced a partner to join me to launch an event when nobody knew what was going to happen with the stock market. When we actually executed the event, the Westin Hotel, which was always full of people, Union Square during JPM week, was teeming with investors and companies and everybody trying to find the next new opportunities. It was empty. It was deserted. I mean, there was maybe one camera outside of the Westin interviewing people, and there was nobody around the people being interviewed. So it was almost a ghost town. So it was really, really pretty scary. And then the market started to come back. I mean, it was a slow gain. The following year, in 2010, Union Square was almost back to what it would have felt like normally, and it's, I think, become much more comfortable. I think the industry itself has attracted more investors into the fold, if you will, because there is more certainty, if you will, about the biotech industry. You'll notice that today, if there's a failure in one company, it doesn't tank the whole market for biotech. So it's become much more stable and much more reliable, which means that it's not just the specialist investor who's in the space, it's also smart money who are generalists that have come back into the space. So that you feel that solid foundation, if you will, of investor interest.